Irish by Razor Rock. I'm using a synthetic brush by Simpson and a Merkur 34c with a feather blade. So last week I was at the store and it's getting real dizzy in the grocery store, and barely made it to my car. Got home, had the chills, like shaking really bad. Called a friend of mine and brought over a COVID test. Sure shit enough, I was positive. I don't know how that's possible. I mean, I wear a mask all the time, especially gloves now, and yeah, I have both of my shots. Not due for my what do you call it, booster till spring. So yep, not feeling so hot today. The fever did break this morning though, so that's why I decided to go ahead and shave. Not even sure if this is gonna make it to an upload, just because I feel pretty lazy right now. Been sleeping a whole hell of a lot. Seems like I'm up for a few hours and I sleep for a few hours. Alright. Warm up the Merkur. Go in for the first pass. Yeah, you can tell I'm still sore. That hurts just to drag that across my face. Yeah, normally that doesn't hurt at all. Yeah, being sick, that feels rough. Let's go to this side. I don't know if you guys are like that when you're sick. Stupid things like this, tugging on my skin. Yeah, that feels funny. Alright. With the grain under my jaw is going towards my ears. My neck with the grain. Seems like I never get any hair. I guess I did get a little bit. It's just hard for me to achieve that 30-degree angle on my neck. And I should even say when I'm holding the razor upside down. That's tough for me. Alright, so first pass wasn't that bad. I do gotta say, I do feel the blade yeah, that doesn't I don't think I'm gonna try to cut that in today. That doesn't feel as bad. I hadn't shaved since Wednesday. First pass was hard though. Really hard. Okay, with the grain on my jawline, I'm sorry, cross grain would just be down. Okay. Neck is straight across. Pretty good job there. All right. I'll tell you what, I'm pretty whooped. Yeah, underneath the chin. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, this is pretty lazy shave here. Really don't have much energy to do anything. All right, final pass against the grain. Don't know if any of you guys have gotten COVID since having your shots. It's hitting Stark County pretty hard right now in Canton, Ohio. I guess our hospitals are full, so there's a surge going on in my area. All right, cross the grain. Or with the grain, I'm sorry, against the grain. Oh, I'm out of it. All right. I struggle here too. Again, the razor's upside down. And to get that 30-degree angle is hard for me. Against the grain on my neck is from my ear to my chin. That came out nicely. I might hit that over here first. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is good something. This is a skill that is definitely acquired and learned. Yeah, it's. Ooh. Yeah, we can feel that tugging. I mean, I am not putting any pressure on that. I am just letting that blade do all the work. You start pushing with one of these razors, you're gonna cut the heck out of your face. Like I did. My first time. Alright, that should be good. Alright, see what cleanup looks like here. Top feels pretty good. Cheeks, that's definitely BBS. Actually, that feels pretty good too. Looks like there's a couple down here. I might get that because I'm probably not going to shave again for a few more days just because I don't know how I'm going to feel. So while I'm here, I'm going to get it. Alright. Yep. Alright, so yeah, that's much better. Yeah, I like that outfit a lot. Alright, let me get the some cold water now. The anti-alum block. This is a must-have. Slight burn right here. Not much though. Cheeks, nothing. Flawless there. Yeah, it's a pretty good shave. I always finish it off with a little bit of Nivea smoothing balm. This is good stuff. I've never used aftershave and kind of digging this stuff. And I put it everywhere since I'm a bald guy. I'm always putting stuff on my head and neck. Whether it be lotion or sunscreen. Alright, I'm just going to let that dry in like that. Oh, yeah. Well, if you guys are new to the channel, I have a ton of other videos. Why don't you go check them out? Thank you much.